All right, y'all. AB Cars and Techs here. So this is going to be a little different than the previous videos I've been uploading, mostly car RC related items. And now this is going to be the tech side of things because I usually deal with a lot of technology stuff. I'm always buying the new, all the newest technology crap to come out. It's pretty much like what I'm into. So what we're going to start here with is the Ledger Flex that I recently just got. Actually, probably not recently. I maybe had it like 3 weeks now, but I just waited to open it until I did a video for you guys before I unboxed it. So for most of you that don't even know what a ledger is, or crypto wallet, Binance, like uh, Trezor and all those other kinds that's similar to Ledger. It's a crypto wallet that anyone that has crypto, you don't really own that crypto. So let's start off by saying, the crypto that you have on like Coinbase, Robinhood, Kraken, Binance, or anything else, one of those apps, you know, the phrase that usually goes with that is, not your keys, not your coin, or not your keys, not your cheese, like like my boy Chris would say, Chris Johnson. He's the one that schooled me on most of this crypto stuff. I watch all his videos. So pretty much put it like this: if you have two keys when you're dealing with crypto, any kind of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of them are the same. You have two keys. You have a public key, which is like that long address that they give you, that you send to receive crypto from a friend or anything like that. And then you have a private key. Private keys will give you access to your crypto. You probably get it like a seed phrase, which is usually like 12 or 24 words. So if you're buying crypto on whatever app you guys are using, most of you guys probably using Robinhood or Coinbase, you're not getting the seed phrase, then it's not your crypto. That's whatever app you have the crypto in that owns that crypto. They're just holding it for you. So let's say one of these apps that you have it on, like Coinbase or Robinhood, they get into an issue and they probably go bankrupt or something drastic happens to them. All that money that you have in there is gone. All that money that you have in there will be gone. And there's usually a list of people that's entitled to those assets first, like creditors. And the investors like us will probably just get cooked. So before, you take a chance like that, and if, you leave it with them, I don't know if you guys trust doing stuff like that. I don't trust leaving my money with anyone. If you leave it with them, you're just at risk for these types of things to happen. So now if you just use the apps to purchase the crypto, like you're doing now, you're using Coinbase or Robinhood to purchase these cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, whatever crypto you're into nowadays. And then you take self custody of this and send it somewhere to like a Ledger, Trezor, a card wallet, or a multi-sig wallet like Casa or Unchained. Then you will have access to your crypto investment. That'll be yours. It'll be under your wallet. So anyone heavily invested in crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, I suggest the best thing to do is invest in something like this ledger that I have here. Or, you could look up a few other ones if you don't like the ledger, but I went with the ledger because it seems to be a good deal for the price. You're getting, what is this? This is a fully digital display ledger. You could even get the cheaper one if you can't afford this. At least you'll have, access to your own crypto. It'll be yours. It won't be one of the apps that own it. And you possibly will get screwed out of it if something happens, like if they go bankrupt or something. I'd rather play it safe if you have a lot of money invested into crypto. I don't have a lot. I got maybe a couple thousand, but I don't want to get I don't want to lose that money. So I'm taking I don't want to take that chance. I'm making the right play by putting my money into something like this. Luckily, I seen somebody put this up online that schooled me onto this, and by me doing this video, I'm hopefully schooling one of you guys that's invested in crypto to not lose out on your funds, and play it safe and keep that money in your pocket instead of like one of these corporations. So I'm just going to start off with a simple unboxing. Just unbox this, show you how it looks. Maybe I might do a part 2 video that's going to be after I set this up. Probably, you know, how user friendly it's going to be and the whole setup process. I'll see if I do that in a part 2. But we'll start with an unboxing right now. Let's, let's start with the easy ones first. I'll start off with unboxing this case that I got here. And I actually came up off of all of these. I did not pay retails. I was able to get everything here for a good deal. That's why I got the case and everything with it. I suggest you guys looking into this too if you're heavily invested in crypto, man. With everything that's going on now, gotta play it safe. You don't want to lose anything. Oh, that's pretty cool. Nice. Nice little case for it. This one. And if I confuse you guys with anything that I explained, just look it up. That's exactly what I did. Look it up, do your homework online, check out what I mean by, you not owning the crypto at all and why it's good to have a crypto wallet. And go from there. I probably won't be using this one. I don't like that one too much. Looks like it'll easily probably get dirty after some time. Yellow. Fading. Put that one back to the side. Let's see how this thing is. Wow. Oh, see, this is quality product right here. Look, you got, it's sealed perfectly like an Apple iPhone would be. The most secure crypto wallet ever. I'll get it in the frame here so you guys could read some stuff on it. I don't know if you're able to see all that, but you could pause it, zoom in, read what you got to read. Wow, pretty cool. Yeah, I'll probably set this up sometime this weekend. I'll see if I get a chance to do another video of this. Now this is what I'm talking about when I said that 12 or 24 seed phrase. They give you a recovery sheet, and this is where you'll pretty much be writing your seed phrase down because you don't want to store it in your phone or anything like that because that'll, anybody could hack that and all your cryptocurrency could be gone. So you write it down on one of these papers here and stash it somewhere safe that nobody really has access but you. What's crazy is they gave me 4 recovery sheets. Wow. Oh, 3, sorry. Okay, not bad. What else we got up in here? Some documents. Probably some instructions. Use, care. Yeah, your paperwork. So for that, what do we got here? Maybe a charger. Yep, USB-C charger. Now that I finally got this thing opened after owning it for 3 weeks, I'll be able to set it up. I'll show you guys a video of how it's set up. Let's see how this cover looks. Oh wow, it's pretty sick. Strong magnet. Okay, that's crazy. So this is actually magnetized to this. Holds it really good, and yeah, that's pretty slick. not bad. Let's throw this back in here. So that other video, later on in the, probably another week or this weekend, I'll shoot it. I'll show you guys how it's set up. But again, look into it. If you guys got crypto, protect that investment you guys got going. You don't want anybody taking it. Look into those crypto wallets, Trezor, Ledger, whichever one you guys feel comfortable with. Do your Google research, see which one, what reviews you guys like better, and or which one is better in your price range, and protect what you guys got invested. All right, that'll be the end for this video. Thanks guys for watching.